हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं एजुकेशन वर्ल्ड से आपकी दोस्त और आज मैं लाई हूँ प्रोडक्टिविटी ऑफ एन इकोसिस्टम, जिसमें आपको फुल नोट्स मिलेंगे और आपको समझ आएगा कि प्रोडक्टिविटी क्या है और ये इकोसिस्टम में किस प्रकार से काम करता है। सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस टॉपिक, प्लीज like this video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started. First is the productivity of an ecosystem. What is productivity? Productivity of an ecosystem denotes a quality in which living substances is manufactured through interaction of community and environment. Means ये interaction of community, one community और any community and environment के बीच interaction को denote करता है, ये productivity कहलाता है. Next is the rate of biomass production or the amount of food energy produced, obtained or stored by particular trophic level per unit time is called productivity. This is the definition of productivity. If you wanna write this, so you can take a screenshot of this productivity definition. Next is the type of productivity. Types of productivity. According to Odom is a scientist which says or categorizes the productivity into three types. That is one of primary productivity, second one is secondary productivity, and third is the community productivity. So these three types of productivity we understand in details. Next is the primary productivity. Primary productivity is productivity at the producer level. ये क्या होता है? प्रोड्यूसर लेवल से स्टार्ट होता है. मीन्स जो प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, फूड प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, जैसे प्लांट्स, एल्गी. इट कैन बी टर्म्ड एज द अमाउंट ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक मैटर प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द प्लांट फ्रॉम सोलर एनर्जी in the given area during a given period of time. Approximately 1 to 5% of solar energy that falls on plant is converted into organic matter. Only 1 to 5% of sunlight producer take and it convert into organic matter, or it gives us energy. Means plants give us energy, or primary consumers energy. Next is the types of primary productivity. Primary productivity is categorized into three parts. That is one, gross primary productivity, that is known as GPP. Next, net primary productivity, that is known as NPP. Respiration and other metabolic activities, that is you can denote its R. It's represented by R. Next is the gross primary productivity. What is gross primary productivity? So this refers to total amount of organic matter produced. This also include what is used. ये बताता है कि क्या यूज हो रहा है by producer in respiration. This can also be defined as total energy captured by photosynthetic organism. ये भी बताता है कि photosynthetic organism के थ्रू कितना एनर्जी टेक किया जा रहा है और कैप्चर्ड किया जा रहा है. नेक्स्ट इज NPP, means net primary productivity. The production refers to the gross production minus the loss of energy by respiration and decomposition. So net primary productivity में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, द प्रोडक्शन रेफर्स टू द ग्रॉस प्रोडक्शन. ग्रॉस प्रोडक्शन जो हुआ है उसमें हम लोग माइनस करते हैं लॉस ऑफ एनर्जी बाय रेस्पिरेशन एंड डिकम्पोजिशन. कितना रेस्पिरेशन में डिकम्पोजिशन के थ्रू कितना एनर्जी लॉस हुआ है उसको हम लोग माइनस करते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज द रेस्पिरेशन. आर, energy used to do work in the organism, loss of entropy. Next one, it shows measure of primary productivity. You can draw this picture in here. NPP is equal to GPP, gross primary productivity, minus respiration. Here plant is available which produce glucose during photosynthesis, that is known as GPP, and some glucose are used to supply energy. Derives cellular process, means it is loss in respiration, remaining glucose available to let down as new material biomass, that is known as NPP. So you can draw this picture, you can take a screenshot of this picture. So next here is gross primary productivity. How can it formulated? Here you can see here gross primary productivity, GPP means total primary productivity. Respiration, R means energy used to work and loss as entropy. Next NET, net primary productivity, NPP, total primary productivity less the energy used for respiration, means NPP is equal to GPP minus R. Next one is secondary productivity. We can understood secondary productivity. This refers to productivity at the consumer level. ये क्या होता है, consumer level means प्रोड्यूसर को जो टेक करता है वो कंज्यूमर और प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर कहलाता है. इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स ओनली द यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ फूड फॉर प्रोडक्शन ऑफ कंज्यूमर बायोमास. इट कैन बी रेफर्ड टू एज द नेट रेट ऑफ इंक्रीज इन बायोमास ऑफ हेट्रोट्रॉफ्स. द productivity act as food to the next trophic level. productivity जो है यहाँ पे एक्ट करता है नेक्स्ट ट्रॉपिक लेवल के लिए. Here is the pyramid showing the productivity. Here GPP is fully in detail as GPP produced by producer, primary producer, you can say primary producer or producer. It respires and lost some energy. After losing some energies, it convert into NPP, means net primary productivity is remaining in first block. Next we go on consumer, middle block. Here consumer have GPP and it also respire and take other activities and lost some energies. Then secondary productivity, it goes, means here show less amount of energy come to producer to consumer, consumer as primary consumer or secondary consumer. And lastly decomposer, the energy is in less amount. Measurement of secondary productivity. It is difficult to measure secondary productivity, but the measurement is based on estimated of number of biomass and growth rate. Thus, It is the formula of measure secondary productivity energy, that is known as I, which is food intake, R, respiration and other, G, body growth, E, excreta as urine and feces, and other as sweat. So I is equal to R plus G plus E, means I food intake जितना किए हैं उसमें रेस्पिरेशन, बॉडी ग्रोथ एंड एक्सक्रीटा सारा ऐड होता है. नेक्स्ट इज द इकोलॉजिकल प्रोडक्टिविटी. हियर प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी एंड सेकेंडरी प्रोडक्टिविटी taken, and it shows the less amount of energy in transferred in primary consumer to secondary consumer, tertiary consumer, that is so on. Gross primary productivity 300 joule here is present. Net primary productivity is 200 joule, which is present in tissue, and some energies are loss, cells respiration or lost as heat. 100 joule is lost here. Next, as this fruits or leaves taken by any larva, then the come into secondary productivity. Secondary productivity growth, secondary productivity gross production is 200 joule. Net secondary production as feces 100 joule loss, in tissue 300 joule remain, and cell respiration or lost as heat 67 joule. So it shows the loss of energy by. Next, third one is the community productivity. This is the rate of net synthesis of organic matter by a community per unit time and area. It is related to energy flow in an ecosystem, means consumer as consumer, secondary and tertiary consumer. Here is the community productivity. So here is the net synthesis of organic material is per unit area, means एक एरिया में जितने लोग हैं, एक एरिया में जितने लोग हैं उनका क्या एनर्जी बन रहा है थ्रू प्राइम, सेकेंडरी और टर्शियरी कंज्यूमर. नेक्स्ट वन इज conclusion. So we can take out conclusion that primary productivity depends on the plant species inhabiting a particular area. It is also depends on a variety of environmental factors available of nutrients and photosynthesis capacity of plant. Therefore, it varies in difficult type of ecosystem. Thank you. And if you like this video, then give a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I will give you many biological topic related video and others. Thank you to watch this.